Do you know how well the retro game market is doing? There was an old game about Superman released for the Atari 2600 in 2 versions, one with a red and one with a yellow logo. The first one costs about $5 today, but the second one reaches $3,000 among collectors. And this arcade system has raised more than $60,000, despite their goal being only $10,000. The developers offer only the software. You have to find a projector and a computer on your own. The main highlight is using everything on the wall as elements of the game. In addition, you can play ready-made games and also create your own. It's all imbued with the rich atmosphere of arcades of the 80s and 90s. Plus, 10 players can play simultaneously. What else do you need to be happy? Maybe a lower price, as right now you'll have to pay about $205. Here's an even more expensive product. It will cost you as much as $450, but the experience will clearly be more fun because it's an electric underwater scooter, ready to work at depths of up to 98 feet. The rest of the model's specs are also good. Speeds of up to 2.7 miles an hour and an hour of operation on a single charge. There's a GoPro mount and an app that allows you to review your diving stats. The manufacturer points out that the scooter is suitable even for beginners. It's comparable in size to a laptop and weighs about 6 pounds. Pack it in a backpack and bring infinite joy to your journey, the creators write on their website. How much do you think an RC car like this would cost? $670. But for this money, you get to impress even the most discriminating racers. It'll be fun both on the asphalt and on the ground. The toy comes fully assembled, but for those who like to tinker with the details, separate parts can be ordered for upgrades. The scale of the car is 1:7, and the anodized aluminium chassis provides reliable protection for the powerful inner components. Thanks to the brushless motor, the top speed is around 60 miles per hour, so the manufacturer was kind enough to provide reduced power modes. The model weighs about 12 pounds. It's a battle-hardened all-terrain beast, says a reviewer. And if you combine the RC car with this helicopter, you can make an amateur version of an action movie like Fast and Furious. This model is suitable for beginners. Thanks to the safe technology, it's self-leveling, offers different flight modes, a reliable body, and a rotor that can withstand any blows. Even if the first attempts are unsuccessful, the helicopter will not suffer much, and spare parts are easy to find and install. But the mode for experienced pilots allows you to make some impressive stunts. You can fly for 7 minutes. The helicopter is 17.7 inches long, weighs about 12 ounces, and costs $280. There are many movies where people try to solve problems with miniguns, from 1976's King Kong to 2015's Furious 7. This family of American machine guns is so iconic that it's still in use all over the world, from Brazil to Thailand. And in the entertainment market, miniguns are loved not only by filmmakers and game developers, but also by toy manufacturers. On your screen is a model for shooting Orbeez, hydrogel beads that leave no trace and don't injure opponents because they simply burst on impact. For $60, you get 1.4 pounds of pure firepower in your hands, allowing you to annihilate any resistance within a radius of about 60 feet. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge the minigun. Let's see another product for fans of shooting, this time in virtual worlds. You can find a VR rifle like this for $204 and take your battles to the next level. The rifle comes in right-handed and left-handed versions, both with 5 main parts. The rifle is supplemented with a mini controller for easy movement through locations and menus. The battery provides 5 hours of continuous action, and it's cleverly shaped like a magazine. Up to 10 people can use these rifles in one space, so everyone can create their own squad of elite VR fighters. Next is a simpler but no less interesting option to add to your personal air fleet. The key feature of this drone is that it flies without a remote control and also allows you to defy gravity and master epic stunts. The drone is designed to work indoors. The body can withstand collisions and impacts, plus it allows you to have fun without the risk of damaging your furniture. From sliding over your shoulder to somersaults, you can master more than 12 spectacular stunts. It'll be interesting not only for children, but also for adults. One charge lasts for 7 to 10 minutes, so you won't get bored with it. The price is about $13. What do you know about Nvidia? Gamers and computer geeks will probably tell you a lot about this American company's graphics cards and drivers, but this company also offers other stuff. For example, Geneinno, compact computers ideal for working with AI. This is exactly the kind of computer that's in this robot car. Advanced features mean an advanced price. The car costs $660. But in addition to Geneinno, the buyer gets a camera, LiDAR, and an array of 6 microphones, a 7-inch touchscreen, support for the robot operating system ROS, an hour of work on a single charge, and a metal case and a weight of 7.7 pounds. You can do anything with it, as it supports Wi-Fi and understands Python, C, C++, and JavaScript. Security, mapping, education, you name it. The model is versatile and easy to modify, offering more and more uses. Did you know that Spider-Man's costume was originally intended to be orange and purple, not red and blue? And the superhero didn't always shoot real webs. Sometimes he shot artificial webs from special cartridges. So, this cobweb gun could well take its rightful place in his arsenal, and in the arsenal of his fans. Curiously, the gun is presented as a professional solution, as it dispenses about 1.5 pounds of web in an hour. It requires no compressor and can be used with a regular vacuum cleaner. It's easy to clean up the cobwebs after a party, even with a broom. So real that only spiders can tell the difference, the manufacturer believes. The product is pretty affordable at only $40. UK experts once conducted a survey to find the main stressor in people's lives. The winner turned out to be work. 35% of the respondents reported that it's extremely stressful, and paradoxically, worries them even more than money problems. If you want to blow off some steam, confront your co-workers and just stretch your legs. You can use this air bazooka. It allows you to shoot at about 19.7 feet, and there's a sight for those unsure of their sniper skills. And you only need air to shoot, so you have endless ammunition. The price is about $45. Here's a fun fact about air hockey. It came out almost by accident. In the late 60s, a group of American engineers made a table to test an air circulation system. In their spare time, they'd take a puck and some bats to play, and then they thought that this kind of entertainment would surely appeal to the general public. Today, you don't even need a special table to have fun. Here's one that fits on just about any smooth surface. Included are a pair of goals, a puck on an air cushion, and 2 bats. Although people in the comments asked to solve the problem with the walls. After all, this is an important element of the game, but the cost of the set is a reasonable $27. Call of of Duty is a game of record-breaking proportions. The series even made it into the Guinness World Records as the best-selling shooter series in the world. As of 2021, total sales exceeded 400 million copies. Consequently, the game has a huge and creative fanbase. For instance, here's a copy of the double-barreled shotgun made by a YouTuber who makes things out of Lego. He needed 900 pieces to make the 1:1 scale model. It's based on the rifle from Call of Duty World at War, with 2 removable collapsible shells and even a working bolt mechanism. Next up is another toy weapon, a revolver reminiscent of the .45 ACP Bulldog. The scale is 1:1, and despite the bright colors, everything about it is serious. The reviewer even used tactical gloves when he used it. The packaging shows a brave law enforcement officer, and the kit comes with 10 soft bullets, which is enough for 2 full cylinders. By the way, toy weapons are a controversial topic. Many countries have long been engaged in issues related to them. For example, in 2014, the authorities of Atlantic City, US banned the use, storage, and sale of realistic copies of imitation firearms. One of the reasons is that copies are often used by criminals, and it's very difficult to distinguish them from real weapons.